Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you my experience with a product that completely transformed my home life. My name is Lisa and I live in a quiet suburb where we rely on a septic tank to manage our household sewage. For some time, we faced serious issues with unpleasant odors and the constant need for expensive maintenance. You know that unbearable smell around the septic tank? It not only affected the air quality but also my peace of mind and willingness to host visitors at home. Not to mention the frequent costs of pumping that strained our family budget. I became concerned about my children's health, fearing harmful bacteria could be present in the water and surrounding environment. This led me to seek an effective, safe, and economical solution to permanently resolve these issues. That's when I discovered Septifix. These small tablets revolutionized our lives. In just a few days, the odors completely disappeared. The water around the septic tank became much cleaner, and best of all, we drastically reduced the need for costly pump-outs. If you're facing the same problems I did, don't waste any more time. Click the link in the description below and find out how Septifix can transform your life too. Ensure a clean, safe, odor-free environment in your home while saving money and protecting your family. Don't miss out. Septifix really works, and I couldn't be happier with the results. Don't miss this opportunity to improve your quality of life. Click the link now and try it yourself.